All right, so people, welcome to the Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we have breaking news. Now, Michail Antonio has finally signed the contract according to Oral Tracy. He normally does his morning show on Thursday morning, and he just said it. He got it from his impeccable. He has officially signed the contract. So now, a few days ago, we saw Leon Bill sign the contract, and now it's coming out that Michail Antonio has signed the contract as well. So this is big news, people. Massive news. And we can officially and finally say, welcome to Jamaica, Michail Antonio. Welcome to Jamaica. So this is great news, people. Guys, put it in the comment section. Tell me how you feel. And guess what? Stats and see what he's going to bring. Let's look at what he's going to bring. Definitely what he will bring into Jamaica. But as we know, the quality that this guy possesses, it is something that we need in this team. It is something that we really need in this team. His ability, his finishing prowess, his tenacity is in something that we really need. So officially, Michail Antonio has signed the contract. Welcome to the Reggae Boyz, Michail Antonio. Welcome, Reggae Boy, Michail Antonio. No, there's so much doubt around so much players, and for us to come out now and officially say that Michail Antonio is our player, I think this is great news. You know, it's a player that actually turned us a few times ago. He turned us down a few years ago. He turned us down, but it has happened. It has happened, and it goes to show that perseverance is the key, and we should not be embarrassed to contact these players and try to get these players to come on board with the project that we have to bring. I think it's definitely, we know that this is something that we wanted to happen for the longest time period, and now we have gotten it over the line. We have to respect that, and it is big news. It is great news. As I said, people, it was officially confirmed by Oral Tracy on his program, his talk show that he have in the morning time, that Michail Antonio has officially signed the contract. And as I said a few days ago, it was Leon Bailey. Now it is Michail Antonio. We do know a friendly coming up against Serbia. I think that is early Monday morning Jamaican time, 3 a.m. in those time period. I'm not sure how many of you guys will be up, but I will be up watching that game. That's a big game. I don't know what anyone is saying, but I think that's a very big game because Serbia is a strong team. But the official news, people, as you guys can see on the screen, Michail Antonio put pen to paper, and that is a big deal. It doesn't matter what you guys want to say. And for me, it's a big deal because it is always important that we get these high-class caliber players coming in. And officially, we can say he's literally the best striker in CONCACAF at this moment. He's the best striker in CONCACAF at this moment, without a doubt. No one can, you can bring any name to me. No Josh Sargent, no Raul Jimenez, who haven't kicked a ball in such a long time period. No Jonathan David. No. It's Michail Antonio. Get that correct, yeah? It's Michail Antonio. So thank you. Big up Michail Antonio. Congratulations for joining the Reggae Boyz team. Big up everyone who's tuning in. Massive respect. Military Guna TV. Smash that like button, people. And guess what? Make sure you subscribe for regular content like this. Military Guna TV, people. And guess what? I am